Alright, class, today we're gonna be learning about hello. Oh my god, I swear to God. Oh my god, Oliver, what the fuck? You fucking motherfuckers! No! I swear, you did it fucking wrong! No! No! Please don't
motherfucking kill me! What the fuck?
You level 6.
Oh, what the Sigma?
You fucking failed, you fucking miserable child! Dinner time! What the fuck? Oh, what the fuck? Blah, blah, blah. Cannonball! What the bullocks is going on here?
Oh, hello, word.
Gee, it's stored in real life. Weird ass book. Night battle pass. Blah the fuck? I have 0. No.
Ouch.
Where the Sigma am I? Swear, I fucking hate this.
Hey, now, what the fuck?
A fine lady. She's blood as fuck! Oh no! Surrounded by
Father!
What the
Father is here!
Stay away from my e-kit!
Don't worry, Abby. Father's got you.
Okay. Ow!
Okay.
Whoa! Stop, fine lady. Come here! Yeah! Where? Or what the Sigma? You're gonna die! You motherfucker! Here, come here. Slash! Oh my! Please! No! You're an alpha! You're an alpha! Please! I'm sorry for calling you! Please! What the fuck happened here? Oh.
What the fuck did you just say? Zip, Oliver! What are you doing?
We forgot to do some dot parts, so here you go.
School fucking sucks.
Alcohol is cool. Vaping is better.
Learning is not fun. I don't want to go to school, motherfuckers. I don't want to.
Why is this school so fucking big? Oh, look at this fine lady. Ha! I'm the tallest. Shut up! You're a fucking pine tree. Guys, shut the fuck up. Oliver, Alice is fucking ugly as hell. I don't know why you chose to love or date her. You're uglier. Fucking shithole. Like you look like a fucking mess, my fucking wife. And we will be married and have 1 million children. Fuck's sake. Also,
alcohol is better than vaping.
Tired of hearing that shit all over and over again. Fucking shut up the bat talk about her. Shut up! Shut the fuck up! Throat hurts right now. Please send mental help.